Oh, good job. Now roll up.
Ooh, look, he's really.
Wow.
His mouth is open. That always means.
Do you need to get some more paint on your roller?
Where's my roller?
Right here. Right there.
This is yours. Do you need more paint?
I want to do it. I want to do it.
Zaves,
This is
Hold
where you
on.
have to.
you have to be a listener because paint is so messy. Okay, ready?
You gotta
Hold
make
it with
all the
both
white
hands.
parts green, okay?
I'm gonna let go.
Oh, it's heavy, isn't it, Zaves? There you go.
Are you getting
Well,
it?
you've got plenty of paint.
Keep
working.
rolling. Keep rolling.
Try to make everything turn
Oh, good job.
Way to go.
Oh,
You still have enough
have
paint?
enough
Keep
paint.
rolling.
Right
down,
there.
and down below.
green. Yay! Good, good.
I need some more.
Look at the white
You
spots
don't.
down
Some
low.
more.
It's okay. It's okay. Here we go. Roll, roll, roll.
Good job.
We're almost done.
Look.
One more.
I see a little bit more spots
Okay,
than you
let's get just a tiny bit more. Here we go. Just a tiny bit. You don't need much. You're almost done, and then I'll get you a brush. Oh, I put the brush away. Never mind. Oh,
Oh,
good
baby,
job.
you did
Way
it.
up here. Oh, wow.
Then
Does
you
that
did it.
look good?
Oh,